Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode with Conflicts. In this episode here, we'll be going ahead and talking about Vector in terms of his animations go. Now we are still giving away a free Vector, so if you want to win your very own, be sure to comment down below to increase your chances on winning. Now, this video is sponsored by Avexa TV, the best live TV streaming service around for only $35 for over 8,000 plus live channels. Install on your favorite device, Android, iOS, set-top box, or Fire Stick. So the way we're going to do this is first we want to get our robot in SDK mode. Alright, cool. So we're all set. So we're just going to go ahead and go through all the different animations here. So the way the SDK works is it gives us full control over the robot in terms of the remote control goes. So if I go ahead and hit like W, I'll go forward, S, back, A, D, kind of do full rotation over the robot, and you can move his head up, you can move his arms up, etc. So just an idea. Now moving on to here, so we got a few different animations. So just kind of giving you an idea of what exactly there is. So we have like blackjack, so we can say good luck and hit 1. He'll do an animation for that, and then we have like blackjack win or lose, blackjack win, vector bust, vector lose, vector win. So notice it says Victor on the screen, which is kind of interesting. I don't know if that's kind of what they wanted to name him to begin with, but hey. We have search for charger, so let's try that. So he starts rotating in a full 360 motion, trying to look for a charger. And then I'm just going to cancel that. Here's another one. So that means he's looking for a charger, as you can see by the animation right there. Interesting. Cube success, get out. So that means, like, I think what happens is if you put the cube by him, just like this, and you hit that 1, he'll go ahead and move it. So that is cube success 1. And then you can see, like, here is docking fail. So he's kind of like frustrated. Here's eye beat. So you can see that his eyes are kind of vibrating to the beat of the music. Oh, dizzy pickup. So that's interesting. So I guess they actually have the idea of being able to get Vector dizzy incorporated into the robot, but it's not really foolproof just yet. So that's nice to see that they have those animations kind of working in there. Now, as you can see, that the robot doesn't have any physical screen display, but there's physical movement, so do expect it sometime soon. So this is like shaken softly or dizzy softly. Okay, so that's that. We have explore, look around, so he'll kind of like look around and explore his environment. And then we have like eye contact giggle. That's his little giggle. So you see a lot of these with Cosmo, and then here's a smile. So that's him smiling with his eyes. Eye contact squint, so he's squinting. Moving on, we have a fist bump fail. So kind of upset that you didn't give a fist bump. Fist bump in. Fist bump request. So that's a request. Then you have like a few different requests in here. Request twice. So that's that. Success. So that's him happy that he got a fist bump. And then another happy one. And then lastly, another happy one. So look at his eyes in here. That's really cute. So moving on, we have sleeping. So this is Vector knocked out. Another sleeping. This here's wake up. So he's like slowly getting up. There you go. And then here's goodbye. And that's like him saying goodbye to you when you're leaving. Here's good morning. Here's good night. Okay. And then we have ourselves greeting at home. So welcoming you home, and then here's a hello. And here's another hello. So we have hiking, which is interesting. Hiking. hiking react 1, hiking react 2. So like he's seeing objects in front of him. So these are all the different kind of like reactions that he has. Here's a blink. So I'm just blinking, so you can make them blink really, really fast. Keep away. So yes, there is keep away in here. There's a pounce from keep away. Then there's more pounces from keep away. And then we have keep away mouse trap. So he does like really, really fast. And then we have knowledge graph. So that's that knowledge graph that he does. Knowledge fail. So knowledge listening. So he's got like that screen display on there. He's got quite a few of those. Success. React to cube. And then we have like wake up. Okay, animation launch, start sleeping. That's sleeping. Start driving. Okay, and then we have a few other ones in here too. Here's like a react face. So that's him reacting to your face. All right, we have message rewind. Oh, cool, look at that. So I guess there's a capability of him recording a message and replaying it back that we don't know about. Play reaction. Record reaction. Interesting. So announce to player 1. Oops. Okay. No Wi-Fi icon. So there's a no Wi-Fi animation. No Wi-Fi signal. That's cool. I've never seen these before. No Wi-Fi trouble icon. There's a Wi-Fi icon on the screen. So you can see there's a lot of different animations. Your focus. So this is for the photos. And then you take photo like this. There you go. Pounce fail. Pounce success. There's a successful look. React to block, firmware message. Let's try that. Oh, not sure where he went there for a reason. Okay, and then power save temperature. So he's telling you that he has to go back. Drop success. You drop the block. Referencing giggle. That's a giggle. We're referencing smile. Referencing squint. Blackjack player no. Off to sleep on the charter. Then we have a timer. Timer remote. And then, oh, the weather. So here's cloudy. Interesting. Here's cold. So you can see the eyes shivering. Okay. Then here is rain. Here's snow. He's like shivering because he's cold. That's so cute. Here's stars. Okay, here's sunny. Okay, thunderstorm. All right, well, there you guys have it. Kind of gives you an idea of what all the different animations are with Vector. Obviously, there's more to come, and seeing how they implement this should be quite interesting as time progresses. Now, overall, it's definitely a fun robot, especially when you have the little SDK, and being able to control them as a remote control is also very much fun. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.